Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G42. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display, and as you can see right here we've got all display settings. Let's start with the top of the list, where we've got brightness level, that we can change manually or via adaptive brightness. Next, we can manage lock screen preferences like privacy, to show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Next, we can add text on lock screen, show wallet, show device controls. Then we can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable dark theme, change font size, display size, enable or disable night light, and adjust its sensitivity or schedule it. Next, we can change colors between natural, saturated, and color temperature between warm and cool. Then we can enable or disable auto rotate screen, full screen display for apps, set screensaver, enable or disable attentive display, peak display, free finger screenshot, swipe to split, and in the end we can manage screen record. For example, we can change viewfinder size between small and large, and resolution. Also, we can change record time limit, file size limit, and enable record touch points. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.